Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Semitech. Today my topic is history of the development of call theory. Ancient Greek were the first to make compositions, attempts to the organics, the data of natural's world, annuals projects of organic SMS, obverse of support the idea that all animals and into the exams and idea. Later, the idea given rise to questions like is there are fundamental unit of substance shared by all organic SMS, but before microscope was first used in 17th country, no one knew that living organics do share a fundamental unit I call calculations. The opening in the call and called is the plants which are computes of students are is the that contact object calls. They are allowed the calls in incorrect with on another along molecules to travel between plants call. The main function of the wall is to protect in inner of the plant in calls is given plants call in the more protects the incorrect of a plant call its plant call a more information's regulative space of products support from the plant body. The call and theory call members in shapes by products and annual sheet which allow members of natural theory the plants the call members in the order most living branches of call all call theory the call balance the call members in the order outer most living body in all call theory the call members also they in process members physicals microscope call members also called in the from the members event of call outside the call members secure of the products of organic SMS. The call member in the 1997.2 the model of describe the problems of diffusions acting is the mixture and continuous glosses of trends glow and plummet dotted and my faulty freely in the mixed. The model describes the substance of the call members as a fault secures with variations Puritan and call theory is the compound factor of variations. The secures of the call members is a fold secures with vibrations protein and carbohydrate compounds flory and freely in the members all the exchange between the call and its selectivity primarily in ONC examples members call the members in oxygen carbon discover and lager molecules gases are amine oxide performs many important functions with the call switch and oxams diffusions with transport transport of into the call. Thanks for watching.